Want to save $1,000 fast? Do this. In this video, we're going to show you some of the most effective strategies to boost your savings quickly. What's up everyone, it's Finance Snap here. I'm excited to share these tips with you today. Who couldn't use an extra $1,000, right? Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Whether it's for a trip, a new phone, or just some peace of mind, having that extra money can open up so many possibilities. Having that financial cushion can make all the difference. It can relieve stress and give you more freedom. We're diving into 7 practical tips you can start using today to hit that $1,000 goal faster than you thought possible. These tips are easy to follow and can be implemented right away. So, if you're ready to take control of your money and reach those savings goals, stay tuned. Buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. You're going to love these tips. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough. You'd be surprised how much money seems to just disappear every month. By tracking every single dollar you spend, you get a crystal clear picture of where your money is actually going. Once you see those spending habits laid out, you can start making adjustments. Knowledge is power. By simply tracking your expenses, you're already on your way to making more informed decisions about your money and identifying areas where you can easily cut back and save. We've all been there, signing up for a free trial and then forgetting to cancel it before they start charging your card. Take a few minutes to go through your bank statements and identify any recurring subscriptions you're not actually using. Canceling these unnecessary expenses can free up a significant amount of cash each month. Every dollar counts, and those subscription fees can really add up over time. Eating out is convenient, I get it, but it's also a huge money drain. A $15 lunch every workday adds up to $300 a month. By meal prepping, you can drastically cut down on those impulse food purchases and make your money stretch further. Spend a few hours on the weekend planning out your meals for the week, hit the grocery store, and prep what you can in advance. Having healthy, delicious meals ready to go means you're less likely to cave to takeout temptations. The No Spend Challenge. This one might sound intense, but trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine a week or even a whole month where you only spend money on the absolute essentials. Challenge yourself to a no-spend week or even a no-spend month, where you only spend money on essentials like rent, bills, and groceries. This means planning your meals, making a budget, and sticking to it. No eating out, no unnecessary shopping trips, no impulse buys. You're breaking free from those spending habits that are keeping you from your financial goals. Instead, cook at home, enjoy the food you already have, and resist the urge to buy things you don't need. You'll be surprised by how much money you can save in a short amount of time, and you might even discover some fun, free activities you can do instead of spending money. From playing board games with friends to having a picnic in the park, the possibilities are endless. Turn clutter into cash. One person's trash is another person's treasure. We all have stuff lying around our homes that we don't use anymore. Selling your unwanted items is a fantastic way to declutter your space and pad your savings account at the same time. You can list items on online marketplaces, have a garage sale, or even sell clothes through consignment shops. Side hustle your way to savings. Who says you have to be stuck with one source of income? There are tons of easy side hustles you can start today to bring in some extra cash. Whether it's freelancing your skills, driving for a ride-sharing service, or delivering food, there are options out there to fit every schedule and interest. The best part is, the money you earn from your side hustle can go straight into your savings account. Set that goal and crush it. Having a clear, specific savings goal in mind can be incredibly motivating. Instead of just saying, "I want to save more money," get specific. Write down exactly how much you want to save and by when. Put that goal somewhere you'll see it every day. On your fridge, as your phone background, or even on a sticky note on your bathroom mirror. Having that visual reminder will keep you focused and on track. Outrow, you got this. So there you have it, 7 powerful tips to help you save $1,000 fast. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. We talked about tracking your expenses meticulously, cutting unnecessary subscriptions that drain your wallet, meal prepping like a pro to save on food costs, taking on the no-spend challenge to curb impulsive buying, selling unused items to declutter and make extra cash, and finding a side hustle to boost your income, and setting a specific, achievable savings goal to keep you motivated. Start implementing these tips today, even if it's just 1 or 2 at a time. Consistency is key, and watch your savings grow steadily over time. You'll be amazed at how quickly small changes can add up. And hey, I want to hear from you. Your journey is important to me. Which tip are you most excited to try? Is there a particular strategy that resonates with you? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Together, we can achieve financial freedom.